Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from AnyWatch and I've got an unboxing to do, but this time around I'm gonna be doing it in 5 minutes, right? So just a simple quick unboxing and take a look of what's inside this box. And you can see that the brand name is Ikigai, right? So I'm gonna be talking about that brand name and of course the model name of the actual model name of this particular watch in the full video review. But let's get on to the unboxing, right? So first of all, we've got this Ikigai box, a very simple cardboard box, and let's take it wants what is inside. Oh, a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my Steel Dive Tuna, very awesome watch. I've done a full review for this particular place and do check that out, right? So I've got a love letter. Hey Noron, thanks again for reviewing our unit, and yeah, you can freeze it, but very nice chat. Thank you very much, Oscar. We've got an Ikigai warranty card, and it is hold on, is it signed? Yep, it is signed as no sample, right? So this is just a sample. The owner of the brand, told me that I can borrow it for maybe about a month, and before the quick starter starts at somewhere around end of August this year, right? So we've got a leather strap up here, and let's check out the box itself, the actual watch, right? So let's get all this inside here. We don't want to waste our 5 minutes, right? So let's get that out of the end. All right, so this is the Ikigai Kazan watch, right? So oh my god, that is an awesome nothing else inside, right? So let's take that one out and off the frame. Okay, so what do we have here? This is a prototype of the Ikigai Kazan. So there will be 4 different colorways. So this blue one, they call it as, I think it's called Kazan Water. There's the red color, it's called Air. The green color is called Earth, and the black with orange rotating bezel, that is called Kazan Fire, right? So let's, I know the dimensions already. So this one is 42 millimeters on the top of the case, but you can see here, if you can see at the side of the watch, so it's basically 42 here, and 40 up there and 42 down there. So it has that super tapered shape case shape, which mimics a Kazan, which is in Japanese, which means volcano, right? So I will of course explain how to spell that in Japanese later on, right? So what do we have here? We have a no date version of this very unique shape. So there's no date, and it features a NH35 movement, and we have that in a rotating bezel. So this particular sample has that blue dial and that super duper dome, not dome, what do you call this, slanted chapter ring, okay, so that is not a chapter ring, guys, I'm so sorry. That is a rotating inner bezel, right? So all right, so that is so cool in my opinion, right? So we have the screw down crown here at the bottom side, and we have this crown to rotate that inner bezel, right? So very nice pencil style hands here, and of course that vertical brush case, and of this circular brushing on the top, or is it satin finished bezel. And we have this double crown with this Ikigai logo here, and this circular pattern, so that you will know that this is the rotating inner bezel, right? So let's just give it a quick wind and see how it works, right? So very simple. It has a screw down crown. This one does not screw down, and because it has an NH35, we have a ghost date position, boom, and we have a hacking second hand, right? Very nice. Okay, let's do the 10-10 position. So check out that Ikigai logo. That is a very nice logo, I think, and we will go into what is the inspiration behind that. Okay, so let's give it a quick charge and see how the loom looks like, guys. Check the loom, and boom, yeah, let's boom. All right, that is an super duper awesome, oh my god, we have double loom crown there, and VGW9 plus C3 super loom monoval loom on the on this particular watch, right? So that is it, guys. 5 minutes, I'm almost up, so I will of course do a full review in about 2 or 3 weeks time, and until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe, bye bye.